My name is Anand, and today I am going to explain an important topic for which I have got so many requests that please explain what is test scenario and what is test case and what is the difference between test cases and test scenario. So friends, today my topic is what is test scenario. In this video I will explain about test scenario. In next video I will explain what are the test cases, and the further video I will explain what is the difference between test scenario and test cases. So friends, let's start. Today's topic is what is test scenario. Friend, basically in test scenarios, the test scenario explained that what to test. It means that whenever you have this question, what is test scenario, then the what one thing that must strike on your mind is that it means that what to test. So let's move to the definition. Test scenario is a high level definition of test conditions from which one can write one or more test cases. It means that if we have 5 test cases and we bunch them together, and the bunch that come into play, that will be the test scenario. Next point, test scenario is a concept which provides one line information about what to test, that I told you. And another important point about it is that a test scenario has one or more many relations with test cases, means a test scenario can have multiple test cases, as I explained you. Next point, each time we have to write test cases for test scenario. So before testing, first prepare test scenario and then we create one or more test cases from the test scenario. Next, test scenario represent a series of actions that are associated together. Next point, test scenarios are nothing but a test procedure. So friends, these are the total 6 points that explain what is test scenario, what it includes. Let's explain it with the help of an example. Here the all the points that I have explained that. Let's explain it with the help of an example. Friends, let's take a login page. For example, your Gmail login page, where you have two sections, username and password, and a click button, login button. So in that case, you have two types of scenarios. First one is the positive test scenario, and second one is the negative test scenario. In positive test scenario, you enter the correct username and correct password and then click on the login button, and after some time you will be login on your Gmail account. Next is negative test scenario. In that scenario, you enter wrong username or password and then click on login button. In that case, you will find a error message. Let's explain it with the help of an example. For example, this is the your login page, and here you have to check the login functionality, and because here you are going to check the login functionality of this page, then it is total it is about the test scenario. Then when you check response with valid login, It is positive test case scenario. Check response with invalid login, negative test case scenario, and it may be possible that you check the correct it with the username but the empty password when click on the login button. In that case, you also get an error message that please fill the correct username or password. So friends, if I am going to explain it, if you take it out, this section, this whole section, first test case, second test case, and third case test case, but if I include it within a common section, then it is a test scenario. It means that test scenario include test cases. You can fetch the test cases from test scenario. So I think you got the logic or the point what is test scenario means. I am going to again it explain. Listen carefully. Test scenario includes the different test cases. If you take this first test case, second test case, and third test case in a one section, then the total whole the section is a test scenario. It means that test scenario include test cases. Okay, so these are the advantages of test scenario. Advantages are good test coverage is dividing the application into test scenario. Second one, it reduces the chance of repeatability. The repetition task. Next, it reduces the complexity of the application to understand, because you break the application into scenario and scenario breaks up into the cases. Then it reduces the unwanted cost and help to automate the testing of application. These are the advantages of scenario. Now, what are the types of scenarios? Basically, there are two types of scenarios. This is very important question. What are the types of scenario? There are two types of scenarios: positive high level test scenarios and the low level test scenarios. Firstly, I will explain what is high level test scenario. Friends, it is like the overview of a test or scenario in which you define the major part of the scenario. Means include the major part of the scenario. Second, low level test scenario. Friends, it is like exploratory testing in which you study the whole thing in detail. So, two types of scenarios: high level test scenario that include basically the major part of scenario, and low level test scenario that have the low part of the test scenario. So friends, this is all about the test scenario. If you have any doubt or any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Friends, if you like my video, please like it, comment it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you subscribe my channel, you will get the notification of the next video that I am going to upload on my channel. So friends, have a good day. Thank you so much.